Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to talk about a lens that has been creating a lot of buzz over the past couple weeks, the Nikon Nikkor 135mm f1.8 PLENA prime lens. In this video, I'm going to dive deep into its features, performance, and why it might just be the perfect addition to your camera bag. Now, before we jump into the details, I want to give a big thanks to Anthony Good for allowing me to borrow this lens for the past week to test out. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash that bell icon to get notifications for my upcoming content. All right, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what makes the Nikon Nikkor 135mm f1.8 PLENA prime lens so special. This lens is renowned for its incredible optics, beautiful bokeh, and impressive low light performance. With its fast f1.8 aperture, it's a dream for portrait photographers and anyone who loves capturing stunning details in their shots. That means for all of you wildlife and sports photographers too. But what sets this apart from its competition? Let's find out. Now let's talk about the build and design of this lens. The Nikon 135mm PLENA prime lens boasts a robust construction design and hosts an 82mm filter thread. It feels sturdy in my hands, and the focus ring is smooth and precise, allowing for easy and accurate manual focusing and very fast autofocusing. The lens also features a weather-sealed design and making it durable and reliable even in challenging shooting conditions. Whether you're shooting in a studio or out in the field, this lens is built to withstand the demands of professional photographers without a doubt. Of course, the most important aspect of any lens is its image quality. And let me tell you, this lens delivers exceptional results. The sharpness, the clarity, the color rendition were all truly amazing. Whether you're capturing portraits, landscapes, or close-ups, this lens produces images with breathtaking detail and lifelike colors. Come on now, and let's not forget about the stunning bokeh it creates. Thanks to its wide aperture, your subjects will easily pop against beautifully blurred backgrounds, adding a professional touch to your photos. And we all know our clients love the blur. This lens definitely lives up to the PLENA name. Capturing images with this lens wide open, I noticed barely any vignetting at all while delivering true edge-to-edge brightness. It was so much fun capturing street photography images with such a shallow depth of field. I shot at f1.8 the entire day. One of the standout features of this lens is its low light performance. With a bright f1.8 aperture, it excels in low light conditions, allowing you to capture sharp and noise-free images even in challenging lighting situations. Whether you're shooting indoors, during sunset, or under city lights, this lens truly shines, enabling you to capture moments with incredible clarity and detail no matter how dim the lighting may be. To give you a better idea of what this lens is capable of, let's take a look at some of the images I took during the past week. As you can see, the Nikon Nikkor 135mm f1.8 PLENA prime lens will easily produce stunning results regardless of the kind of photography that you do. What really stood out to me was how fast the autofocus was while using this lens. I never used a prime lens at around this focal length that truly kept up with my creativity. While walking the streets of San Francisco, I noticed so many photography moments and the lens never slowed me down. It was a great pairing with both my Nikon Z8 and Z9. Whether you're capturing portraits, some landscape, street photography, or even sports photography, I guarantee this lens will constantly perform at a high level. In conclusion, the Nikon Nikkor 135mm f1.8 PLENA prime lens is a powerhouse of optical excellence. Its outstanding build quality, its remarkable image quality, and impressive low light performance make it a top choice for photographers who demand beautiful bokeh and subject separation. Whether you're a professional photographer or an amateur looking to elevate your photography game, this lens is a fantastic investment, and it opens up a world of creative possibilities and ensures that your images stand out from the rest, all while not sacrificing on autofocus performance. Since I released the unboxing video of this lens, I've received a lot of feedback and folks asking me whether I would get the Nikon PLENA lens or the Nikkor Z 85mm f1.2 lens first. Well, at first, I wasn't quite sure how to answer that question, but after 1 week, a couple of photo shoots, and some street photography later, I honestly would have to say for sure I would get this lens. The autofocus, the sharpness, the stunning bokeh, and the little to no vignette, all while shooting wide open, makes it such a fun lens to use, besides the portrait photography that I'm usually doing. That's it for today's review of the Nikon Nikkor PLENA lens. I hope you found this video helpful in any way. Of course, I'll leave a link in the description section for you to check out this lens for yourself. If you have any questions specifically about this lens or my experience with it, hey, post your comments down below and I will make sure to answer them. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more, don't forget to press that like, that share, that subscribe, and you know what to do. Hit that bell icon to get notifications for my upcoming content. I'm Robert Silver, and until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.